I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace the Downstream O2 oxygen sensor on your Toyota Prius. First, gather your tools, including a 22mm oxygen sensor socket and a torque wrench. Next, ensure your vehicle is cool and safely supported on jack stands. Always disconnect the negative terminal of your 12-volt battery before starting any electrical work for safety. Now, locate the downstream oxygen sensor, which is typically found after the catalytic converter under your vehicle. Once you've identified it, carefully unplug the electrical connector. Take your time to unclip any wiring harnesses or mounting points that secure the sensor's cable, ensuring you don't damage the existing wiring during this step. With the connector unplugged, use your 22mm oxygen sensor socket to loosen and remove the old sensor. Before installing the new one, apply a small amount of anti-seize compound to its threads to prevent future seizing. Hand tighten the new sensor into place, then use your torque wrench to tighten it to the manufacturer's specified torque setting. Finally, reconnect the electrical connector to your new oxygen sensor and secure any wiring harnesses. Reconnect the negative terminal of your 12-volt battery. You may need to clear any stored trouble codes using an OBD-ROMAN2 scanner to turn off the check engine light. This completes the replacement process. For more great deals and to check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, see the link in the description below. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.